Hi everyone, Patrick from North52 here. In this video I'm going to demonstrate a simple nested function, one function inside another. What we are going to do is capitalize the first letter of every account name entered and remove any leading or trailing spaces that are added accidentally. This will keep our account names clean for use with marketing lists, etc. We will create a new formula for this requirement, so we navigate to Settings, N52 Formulas, and click on New Formula. This formula will be of type Save to Current Record, running on the account entity and using the classic editor. We set the event at Create and set the source property for the formula to be account name. This means that the formula will trigger on the name field when the account is created only. We set the target property for formula to be account name, as this is the field we will update. The first step would be to trim any leading or trailing space from the account name. So we go to Functions and search for the trim function. We open the wizard by holding down the Shift key and clicking on it. Next, we select the name field as the field we want to operate on, and then we add the values we wish to trim away. In this case, we are removing spaces. When we click Generate, the function has been added to the formula canvas. When this is done, we then use the capitalize function to capitalize the first letter in the newly trimmed name. Next, we save the formula and then we create a new account. We will use North52 as the example, adding a space at the start of the name and using a small n. When we click Save, the formula will execute. This will remove the space and then capitalize the first letter. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions or need any assistance, please visit support.north52.com or contact support@north52.com.